Bilfinger.
Why master planning for Zeelandia? Zeelandia has more than 20 factories worldwide and we keep building new ones. So the moment of investment is an engineering task to propose what to invest. But once the factory is built, it's there for 20, in reality more than 40 years. So better to take that decision well with all scenarios in mind and all opinions of departments, the marketing needs, the supply chain needs, the sustainability needs. You need to first discuss your plan and then invest. The investment is a lot of money, so you want to do it well. So you actually try to imagine what the factory will look like in 20 years. And that drawings we typically don't make ourselves. We use other companies, really engineering companies like Tebodin, to work that out and to give the future 20 years, we call it the color plan of the factory.
Master planning is creating a roadmap to the future. It gives you a guidance for decisions in the future, for projects, for investments, and you can base the budgets on that. It is a multidisciplinary approach. It is about marketing, it is about production, it is about manufacturing, it is about sales, people, everything is involved. Well, sustainability is becoming more and more important, and of course sustainability will also reduce cost.
We did a master plan project for the Ukraine to invest in a new factory. And we worked out several scenarios. The big factory, the dream, if everything goes well, but also a plan B. If that will be too expensive or the growth will be less, what do we do? And then, of course, in the Ukraine, with the circumstances of the war, we of course decided to go for plan B, and we made a decision very quick because all the arguments were already clear.